Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is lisaphan, and today I thought I'd do a sit down haul video for you guys because I have a haul that has been very requested from those who follow me on Instagram. You guys follow along with me on all my shopping adventures, and since I've gotten here to London, I've been a frequent at some very high street stores, and I've indulged a lot since I got here, and I saved up a lot of money to spend like this here because I knew I would be spending a lot of money on luxury goods here since it is a little less expensive than in the US. This is a lot of money, and I know that, and I don't want to say a long disclaimer because I do want to get into the video. So if you don't like luxury hauls, if you don't like the idea of luxury goods, and you don't like the idea of someone spending that much money on a good, I think you should probably click out because you're not gonna like this video at all. But it is my money, it's all money I've made on my own. None of this is my parents' money. I bought all of this. I am a stress shopper. I do retail therapy quite often, so just let me be. So my very first purchase was at Dior inside of Selfridges on Oxford Street. I will put specific names on the screen so that I don't mistake anything, but I got myself a cute little coin purse. This is the saddle style coin purse pouch, and I do love little goods like this. I have a little key pouch from Louis Vuitton that I use all the time at home, so to go with my book tote, I thought I'd purchase this because the little D for Dior opens up and you can hook this onto the strap of the book tote, and it's super cute, super convenient. And when I got here, I didn't bring a big wallet with me, and I didn't bring anything that would hold a lot of coins, and this has been very useful. I thought I'd purchase it. I wasn't even like thinking about it when my sales associate there showed me this. I had to get her. For the next few items I went to Harrods actually, which is pretty close to where I live, and I wanted to just take a peek in their beauty section that day, and I got some items from the beauty counters at Dior and Gucci Beauty, so I thought I'd quickly share those items with you guys because these are kind of boring compared to everything else. So these are the Dior lip maximizers, and I love this lip gloss formula. It's like the perfect amount of plumping and tingling, and the colors are super pretty. So here I picked up the color 13 Beige, which is this tube, and it's very similar to the original pink lip gloss, which I repurchased before I got here because I did lose mine back at home, but I bought it in beige just so I can layer on top of any lip color I have on. And then I also picked up a more fall tone color. This is in the shade 6 Berry, and it looks quite intimidating in the tube, but it's quite sheer. And then at Gucci Beauty, which I was super excited to visit, I have never tried out Gucci's makeup before. I know they launched a whole makeup collection a couple years ago, but I didn't try any of that, and I know they just launched some lipsticks. So I went in 2 times, and I'm just gonna combine both trips into this. I bought 4 lip products. This is in 205 Hold Your Man, and this is a sheer lip color. It comes in 3 finishes. There's balms, sheers, and satins, and this is a more sheer nude color, your basic everyday, and it has really cute packaging. So all of the sheer lipsticks have this kind of floral print on the tube. Anyway, now I have my satin lipsticks. I bought 2 shades in total, and this one is in the shade the Painted Veil 201, and this one is again a nude color, and it's a little darker than the nude sheer, but it's quite pigmented. As you can see, that's a 1 swipe, and it's really pretty, so I picked up that. It's kind of engraved, and it's quite heavy as well. The second satin shade I have here is in Miura Sienna, and this one is a darker fall color. The very last but not least is Rene Pink in shade number 3, and this one is one of their tinted balms, and I think it's super cute. It's like a nice berry red orangey coral balm, even though it looks quite red and bright in the tube. It's nice and sheer, and I love the tinted look, so I had to pick this one up, and I have now all 3 formulas. Next up, I have another piece from Dior, but this is when I started going to Dior at Sloane Street, and I have my sales associate there named Julia, and she helped me get this super cute wallet that was out of stock when I went to Selfridges, so I'm super glad I got to find this little baby. So this is the wallet I picked up. I've been eyeing this wallet for a really long time. It's just been out of stock every time I went, so when I found this, I had to grab it. It has the beautiful oblique pattern on it, which I thoroughly enjoy. I've been really into oblique pattern. It's timeless and it's so pretty. So it opens up like this, and I do have some cards in here because I use this sometimes. I just throw whatever else I need in here and I take it to go. But it has a lot of card slots here, here, and here. It has a back pocket up here, and then the coin pouch area is very useful. This is where I put all my larger coins and pounds and things like that. And then it has the cash slot, which is what I needed because the only wallet I brought again was my little Louis Vuitton key pouch, and that's very small because at home I would never use cash and I would only bring around cards. So I thought this would be super useful for here, and it has been. And it's beautiful. It's a beautiful wallet, and I apologize for any street noise. It's quite loud, but I wanted to film this video before I had to go to class. So anyway, it has the Christian Dior written at the top right here. So pretty. It's a beautiful navy color. Next up, I made some purchases at Louis Vuitton. I went inside of Louis Vuitton at Harrods, and I bought 3 things in one go during one of my trips, and I am super excited to share with you guys all of these goodies. So here is my big orange bag from Louis Vuitton, and I had Vishnu help me out. So let me just show you guys one of the smaller items first. This here I wanted to grab for a while, so I was just like, I was already there and might as well. But it is just their little cosmetic pouch, and I just hold some of my necessities in here, and I throw this inside of my backpack. So I have medicine and like my Tide to Go and like hand wipes and things like that are in here. So yeah, I've just been wanting this anyway, so I just asked if I could add this to my purchase, and I grabbed it. It's just a very cute monogram small good. I also grabbed a even smaller good here, and this is something I just wanted as well. I just asked if they had it in stock, and they did, so I went ahead and purchased it. This is just a small little Louis Vuitton key ring, and this would be perfect if I had my keys with me here, but I just attach this onto my backpack for now. I have it on the zipper, and it's actually quite helpful to easily zip my backpack, but I knew I wanted this, and when they had it, I was just like, okay, go ahead, add it to my purchase. Again, I'll put all prices and things on the screen for you guys to know how much I paid in pounds, but it's really cute. It has the little Louis Vuitton Paris on the gold part up here, and it's just monogram. I'm a huge fan of monogram. Moving on to the big purchase here during my trip. This is something I didn't know I wanted or like could even look into because I thought it was just out of stock, but it had it in stock the day that I went. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys. It comes with a little strap here. This is a cute little mini luggage purse. I will put the name on the screen again, but I got it in monogram. I know they have new styles out, but I love classic monogram prints, and this is an absolutely adorable bag. It's beautiful. It has a little lock up here. It looks like a little luggage, and it's just adorable. It goes with all my outfits, and I didn't know that I could get it, and I did. So I'm very happy about this purchase. It has a little key in this. It kind of reminds me of my vanity case from Chanel, because it also has a little key and lock, and it's a boxer, little box shape that you zip all the way around. I've been using this quite a bit when I go out shopping. It's like perfect. It has all the little booklets and things in here as well, but it's super roomy, and it's adorable. I love it. It has 2 pockets on the side, and you can definitely get a Samorga organizer for this if you wanted to, but I just throw everything I need in here, and it fits quite a bit, and it's adorable. So I love this, and it also comes with a strap that you can strap onto the sides or just hold it as a top handle. It's super cute, super versatile, and really different. I thoroughly enjoy this piece. I love it so much, and it's just a cute little small handbag. Oh my god, so cute. Moving right along, I have another item from Louis Vuitton that I picked up maybe a day or 2 later. I went to shoe heaven, and I found a piece that, oh my gosh, I am so obsessed with. So anyway, here they are. These are my first pair of Louis Vuitton shoes, if not my first pair of like really high-end sneakers or trainers, because I don't usually splurge on things like these. So these shoes I purchased are the Louis Vuitton Time Out trainers or sneakers in the white embossed, or I can't really, okay, there you go, it's focusing. This is the embossed monogram leather Time Out sneakers with the back like this. When I first saw them release, I wanted to buy them, but they're so expensive in the US. With tax, it'd be close to $1,000 for me in the US, but here they're £675, and then I get tax back, so it's a lot less here than in the US. So I'm so happy that I got to find not only the shoe, but in my size in Harrods. So huge thank you to the 𝐋𝐿 that worked with me that day. I got this in the size 37.5. These do stretch out a little bit because they're leather, and they're adorable. They're very soft leather, so if you want to be careful with these shoes, you can, so they don't get any scratches or they don't look too old. But I love wearing in my white shoes, and these have like broken in a lot, and they're a lot softer now, and they're super duper comfy. I love them so much. Look at them, just oh my god. I'm like obsessed with how minimal it looks. It's just adorable. I know they're a little roughed up right now. I haven't cleaned them in a couple days. I just love these shoes. And next up, within this kind of time frame of me buying all these things from Louis Vuitton, I also picked up some goodies from my lovely store Chanel. I was again on Sloane Street, I was near Harrods, all that type of stuff, and I passed by the Chanel store that same day. I bought some stuff from Louis Vuitton, and I actually didn't buy this on the day of because their Wi-Fi was down, so I came back to pick this bag up. And let me just share this with you guys. First of all, I have a small thing in this cute little box. I actually already have it out because I've been using it a lot. I have here a little card holder wallet from Chanel, and it's very soft, smooth leather, and it fits in all my small purses. So right now I'm using this, but usually when I have more bulkier things, I switch over to my Dior Oblique. The reason why I bought this wallet was to match the bag that I bought. So it's new in season, and my essay there, Diana, super sweet, she showed me this bag because I was looking for top handle bags, black with gold hardware. I do want this specific bag. Like, I was eyeing this specific bag. So here she is. This is the Chanel Trendy CC new collection fall winter 2019, and this is in the black with gold hardware, and it's beautiful. Look at this bag. Oh my god. I've worn this a lot already, and I am careful with my bags, but I do like to wear them, so there might be just like small imperfections already, but I wear this bag every time I need to go out shopping. It just holds so much. Here's the back pocket. Here's what it looks like. I love the top where it has the Chanel, so all the top handle trendy CCs I love so much. I think it's adorable. This is like the perfect size. It's not too big, it's not too small. So we have the very light gold on here, which I really thoroughly enjoy. We have the CC at the top, and then the inside compartments, of course, you have the lipstick holder, you have some pockets, you have the compartment here and a compartment in the back with a zipper. All my outfits, like, I would go with my outfit that I'm wearing like right now, and it's just adorable. So I love this bag. I saved up for this moment, like, to come to London and shop till I drop, literally, and this is what I did. This bag is so beautiful, and if I did buy this in the States, it would be so much more expensive, and the Chanel bags go up in price every year. They're classic bags especially, and this will last me forever. This is a timeless style and piece, and then of course it matches the wallet that I was sharing with you guys. So got these two together, and now I just have a couple more items to share with you guys. First, I wanted to get this quick little baby out of the way. I went to Ted Baker the other day, and I just grabbed a pair of gloves. They had a 20% off thing going on for students, so I thought I'd just pick up a new pair of gloves since I didn't have any that I brought here, and I love Ted Baker for their really cute bows and things like that. So yeah, I just picked up a pair of black gloves from Ted Baker that are just super warm, and they also work with your phone, so I thought I need these. I grew out of the ones I have at home are like fine, but they don't fit me very well, so I thought this would be a good timeless piece that I can bring back home and wear when I drive, and also wear back in Boston because Boston's super cold and my hands get extra cold in the winter. Like, they're either warm or they're like ice cold, so like I definitely need my gloves. And then last but not least, I have a couple more things from my dear store Dior, again from Dior Sloane Street. My girl Julia, she is so lovely every single time I come in, and I do have a couple things to share with you guys because these are my recent 2 trips to Dior, and I bought a lot of accessories, so I thought I'd just share them really quickly with you guys. The first item here are a pair of earrings, and I'm actually wearing half of it right now. I don't know if you guys can see very well, but I had the little CD Christian Dior on my ears right now, but with the earring, I actually got it with this backing, and it has a big pearl and some star detailing, which is adorable. So I have this backing for my CD, and it basically looks like that when I put it on. Then you see the big pearl in the back, and you see the dangly stars. It's super duper cute. They just go both sides, CD with the star pearl dangly in the back. During that trip, I also picked up another item from their accessories, from their fashion jewelry. This is a little disorganized right now, but I actually picked up a bracelet set, which I can show you guys a better photo of from online. But this is the first bracelet. We have a little lucky clover, if you guys can see, if it will focus. It's super cute. And then the other two in the set I'm actually wearing, so I'm not sure how well you guys can see. But we have the one that says Dior with the little rhinestone, so this one. And then we have this one with the North Star, or the star right here, the Dior star. So these two bracelets and this clover was one set that I bought. And I also did purchase another set of bracelets. As you guys can see, I have 3 in my hand right here, but the third one is not part of the set that I bought. So this is the one that I bought yesterday, actually. I'm filming this day after, but this is a new bracelet. This has a little CD with the 2 stars on the side, and it's a little more embellished, and it matches my earrings. So I bought this little set right here, and it goes along with one more bracelet, which I will share with you guys right now. So with the embellished CD, we have an embellished star bracelet. They just all go well together, so I had to pick up this extra set. Is it focusing? I hope it's focusing. This little set also matches the 3 that I bought, so like I could just stack all these together. I can wear them on separate wrists. I just thought it was a nice new addition to my collection that I'm building. And then also yesterday I picked up this ring. This ring right here that says the CD with the pearls. I'm stacking it with one of my more inexpensive baguette rings, but this is one of Dior's fashion jewelry pieces. So it is just gold with some pearl on the side, and it has a CD. But in the back, if you can see, it just says Dior on the little gold plate. I have my very last purchase that I'm sharing with you guys. I got this yesterday, again at Dior Sloane Street. So I purchased the Dior pumps, nude pumps in the higher heel, and they're in the patent leather nude. So cute. I originally wanted the black patent pumps, but they didn't have them in stock, and she had me try on the nudes, and I absolutely fell in love with how these made me like look. It made my legs look longer, and the shoe itself didn't make my foot look too big, because my foot is kind of big for my height. I'm only like 5'4" and 3/4, so like almost 5'5", and my feet, I'm a size like 39 or a size 9 in the US. So I got these in size 39, and they don't look bad on me at all. They have the little Dior stars under the pump, and it has the sizing, and it's just super beautiful. The shoe is absolutely beautiful. I've been eyeing these for a long time. It has the j'adore with the bow, and it's just so cute. So it's the slingback kind of pump, and it's just so cute. It will go with any outfit, and they're actually super comfy. I'm not a huge fan of like skinny heels like this, but I think this goes well with the shoe design, and it also is just really comfortable. Pumps are not something I wear every day. Sneakers I do, bags I do, but like pumps are a very special occasion type of thing, and they're just so cute. So a mess and a half later, we are done with today's haul video. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it entertaining, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me kind of talk about my loves at the moment. I love luxury goods. I thoroughly enjoy treating myself in this way, and I just don't know how else to explain myself. Like, I literally have no explanation, and I apologize, but a lot of you guys were requesting this luxury haul since you guys have seen me go shopping on my Instagram stories. So I hope this fulfilled that little void, and let me know if you guys want to see more. If you guys don't, tell me and I won't. But yeah, to keep up on all my other adventures, follow me on Instagram at 𝐓𝐔𝐍𝐶, also on my Twitter for some late night rants at 𝐓𝐔𝐍𝐶. And that is all for today's video. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and until then, yeah, I love you guys.
You just wanna
Bye,
get
beauties.
high. Next day you forgot that I told you that it's my niche. Play my role, what you hold, little boy, best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you hurt, my head full of steam. I got lucid dreams, I make movie scenes.